Hi guys, if you are in this video, probably have already installed the R and RStudio on your machines. You can do this by clicking on the cards above. So, this video is to prove that you can also use R on the web browser. That is, you can program R using Chrome, Firefox, Edge or another web browser for your preference. The first step is to search for the RStudio Cloud on the internet. The existing link will forward to the login area. As it is our first time here, we'll click on Sign up to subscribe. Here you can fill in your best email, password, name and last name. Our destination is Deposit Cloud. So, we do the login using that same data from the previous page, and it will be necessary to access the informed email for confirmation. Next, click on Confirm. This is the appearance of the home page of Deposit Cloud. Creating your first program R, it's simple. Just go to New Project, New RStudio Project. As you can see, the appearance is the same as that RStudio desktop. For better navigator, you can hide the lateral bar, click F11 to full screen and hide the top bar. In this way, you can create R archives on any online computer. See you in the next video.